how to change font size for your keyboard keys on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down, then tap on General Management. In here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and then we tap on Font Size. From here, you can change the font size to small, medium, or large. As you change it, you can see it will show you a preview on the keyboard down here. And that's it. So this is a small size. So if I go to my keyboard here, you can see the size will be smaller. If I switch to a larger font size, then I'll go to my keyboard in here. You can see the keys will be a lot bigger. And that's it. So that is how you can change your keyboard keys font size. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.